to, they change in the future tense. Even though they're irregular verbs, you use them a lot. They're very common verbs. So it's good to know how they change in each tense. I have already done a video on irregular verbs in the past tense and irregular verbs in the present tense. So if you want to check them out, I'll have them linked in the description. Now, if you have seen those videos, you would remember my famous little stick man. It's one of the top tips I could give you for your irregular verbs. I can remember them just from picturing the stick man that I drew at school. Doesn't matter how shit your stick man is.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
If you want to draw a stick man for these, go ahead. I recommend it. Irregular verbs. Na bríochra neamh réalta. Na bríochra neamh réalta. However, they aren't irregular in every tense. We keep them together on the stickman because it's easier to remember them and to know that these 11 verbs, some of them, maybe they're only irregular in one tense, maybe they're irregular in two tenses, and then in other tenses they're regular. I'm going to explain what I mean with an example. Clush, which means to hear. Clush is the infinitive of the verb. It's the root of the verb. It's not in any tense yet. It's like in English. To hear, to say, to do. That is what clush is. In the past tense, to say heard, we say thuilleadh. It changes completely from clush. If it was regular, we'd just add a H after the C. It would be chlush, but it's irregular and the word changes completely. In the present tense, it's regular. We just add the ending onto clush. Again, in the future tense, it is regular. We add on FIDH. Clush he. Moving on to the second verb then, we're going to the eyes on the stick man. So to see is féach.
Féach. What?
Féach is the infinitive to see, and it is regular. Féach is regular in the future tense, so we just add FIDH. Féach he will see. So féach he may, féach he muid, we will see. The third irregular verb, which is ger, to say, it remains regular in the future tense. So we just add on FIDH, which is the appropriate ending. Ger he. And then another verb we associate with the mouth is ithe, to eat. This one is irregular in the future tense. It wasn't irregular in the past or the present, but it's not irregular in the future tense. It changes from e to is. Is he, will eat.
Minsan, mahirap matuto ng ibang wika.